Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Miller here. It is a sunny, very warm end of March day. We've had a really cold, snowy winter. It doesn't look like the warm weather is going to last too much longer, just a couple days here at the end of the week, but I can't complain. I'm here at Audi Wynwood going to check out a Nardo Gray 2018 Audi RS5. Hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button at the end if you liked the video. Please comment. I'm happy to talk with you guys. Tell me what you liked about the car. Tell me if you want to see more or different things about the car. And hope you enjoy the video. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, I'm here with the 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe in Nardo Gray. So let's take a look at the spec sheet on this car. 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe 2.9 Turbo Quattro Tiptronic. It has a base price of $69,900. It is Nardo Gray with black leather with crescendo red stitching. This car has the Dynamics package, which gives you RS Sport suspension, plus with dynamic ride control, RS Sport exhaust, and red brake calipers. It has the navigation system, the black optics package, which gives you the 20-inch 5-arm trapezoid design forged wheels, summer tires, black optic exterior kit, and the body color exterior mirror housing. Also has a fine Nappa leather package, which gives you Nappa leather seats, Bang & Olufsen. So we go from a $69,900 car to a as sold $81,100. This car, as you can see, is sold, so unfortunately we can't do too much. So here is the new RS5 Coupe in Nardo Gray. As you can see, it has the big Quattro lettering like all the RS cars. It also has a very aggressive front bumper cover. This one is optioned in it's a black. Everything's painted gloss black here. This front, the front lip, the grille surround. It is in the Nardo Gray paint, which is super popular right now. I just saw a 911 Turbo custom ordered in Nardo Gray. This one has the 20-inch optional wheels with the red brake calipers. You've got this thicker side sill with the black trim, with a 275/30/20 rear tire. As you can see out back, like all the RS cars, it has the big oval exhaust tips. It's got a nice diffuser, painted black. It has, looks like tinted taillights. It has a gloss black painted spoiler. So here's the heart of the 2018 Audi RS5, a 2.9 liter twin turbo V6 making 444 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. This car is of course Quattro 4-wheel drive. It's connected to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. It'll do 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. The front brakes are a 14.8 inch 6-piston calipers. The rear brakes are 13 inches. In comparison, the last generation 2015 RS5 was a 4.2 liter V8 making 450 horsepower with an 8,300 RPM redline, running dual clutch, Quattro, and 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. What do you guys like? The older V8 with a high redline, or the newer, smaller displacement twin turbo, making a little more horsepower, better 0 to 60? Let me know in the comments below. So just a couple of interesting things I've found looking under the engine bay. It's got a little heat shield right in the back of the hood, which lines up. Can't really see because it's under this plastic cover, but I'm assuming the two turbos are right back there. These two are the downpipes. we can see the intake system right here, and it actually has a metal tube, which is better than a plastic, so there's not a lot of flex, which is pretty nice to see an OEM doing. And the other thing I saw is, where do you go to put your windshield washer fluid? Well, it's back here. I guess it sits in the front fender. I believe that actually the Chevy Camaros do the same thing. So that'd be fun if you didn't know it was there and you wanted to put windshield washer fluid in your car. You would be searching for a while if you didn't know it was in the front fender. So let's take a look at the interior of this RS5. As you can see, we've got black leather on the doors with the red stitching, Alcantara door inserts, carbon fiber trim. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. Carbon fiber trim. We have the RS5 as you step into the sill. Look at these seats. Really nice sports seats, black with the crescendo red stitching and the diamond pattern on the seats. Of course, the RS logo. Really nice looking seats. Nice perforated flat bottom steering wheel with the RS logo. More carbon fiber trim. We've got the Audi virtual cockpit, the infotainment screen, the RS5s are an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. So here is the Audi virtual display digital cockpit. Right now we've got navigation on the left, tachometer in the middle, power and torque percentages on the right. Here the infotainment system is showing nav. If we press menu, we can scroll through map, nav, telephone, media, radio, sound, and vehicle. Let's click vehicle, see what there is. So Audi Drive Select. There is also a Drive Select button down there that you can click to get to that. So here are those once again. A map is different, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone, so I guess it has Apple CarPlay, and then settings. So here is your climate control system, heated seats, Quattro on the carbon fiber trim. We've got 2 cup holders. This is the wheel for the infotainment system and the little shifter knob. It's a really nice interior. Audi makes one of the nicer interiors out of there. Everything's well thought out, and I just turned the lights on, so I guess the navigation system just lit up there. Pretty cool. It says we're at Audi. We are at Audi Wynwood. This car has the moonroof with this sunshade, which will roll back. And we've got the 2 back seats. This is not a 3-seater. As you can see, there's not really a seat there. There's only 2 seatbelt receptacles in the back. Check out the seatbelt. When the doors open, it's kind of hard to reach back there, so when you close the door, the little arm will bring you. So now the seatbelt's closer to you to grab, to put on. I know that my dad's 1988 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE Coupe had the same thing, so it's nice to see that old technology still working today. So obviously the RS5 Coupe is a coupe, so how do you get into the back seat? As you can see, we have a little arrow button here. This is electronic. It will move the seat forward, and then we have this leather pull strap. Give it a pull and it releases the back seat. So it's actually, when it's forward and up, it's pretty easy to get into the back seat. So then all you do is you push the seat back, hit that button again, and the driver can now get in the car. Okay, so when I started the car, there's a flap on the exhaust system which makes it, when it's closed, it runs through the mufflers, and when it's open, it's basically straight pipe. So when you start it, it's closed. So one of these salesmen here, my friend Eric, showed me you go to individual, and you click it, and there's all these settings for the engine, transmission, suspension, steering, the new sport differential. So the engine sound, when it's on dynamic, that will open up those valves, so you get that nice noise. So I don't know if this will come out on camera, but here are the daytime running LEDs on the RS5. And we'll walk around to the back to see what the taillights look like. It's like an upside down check mark. The front is just a single strip. The top of the LED, which is blue or white, turns orange for the indicators. So that is the 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe. Thanks a lot to my friends at Audi Wynwood for letting me check this out. It is sold, so hopefully the owner will be a happy guy or girl, gets to drive this home. Hopefully we'll have one in stock at some point that we can drive with that little exhaust clip. It sounds pretty nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And please comment below what you liked about the car, what you didn't like about the car. As you can see, I'm sweating bullets. It's about 80 degrees here in the showroom, but I can't complain. This job's pretty cool. So if I sweat a little, too bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe Nardo Gray.